Hey, my bellas. So hey, my bellas. So I'm finally about to install this wig that I got from Beauty Forever. It's a bob. I'm gonna install it. I was supposed to get it done, but I'm gonna do this myself. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Y'all can watch me install this wig. Everybody gotta get what I want. There ain't not much. Everybody gotta get what I want. Last, now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out, my mind is you to talk, I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know honey, and I know that get boss, like the Baba Frayo, don't cry, So I have not installed a wig in a very, very long time, but y'all see the process, and I think I did a very good job, and I'm going to continue to install my own wigs. It came out very, very nice, as y'all gonna see at the end. I'm just setting up the lace on my head and making sure I even everything out, and I measure it and know where to cut the lace from the start, from one end to the next end. Me personally? I'm gonna order a long one, girl.
You should do what I mean.
For Halloween. Noodle, get the zoo down.
Oh, just not get it. I don't care. I can picture. I'm gonna put my smile. No, you cannot get no smiley. You said Lulu could do a smiley.
I didn't say shit.
That's the piercing in the mouth. Alright, I can't wait till Christmas. Stop trying to be 12. Only 12. I did not have all of that at 12. That's you.
Noodle, you're not getting that.
I can't get my stuff here. I know that, but you say you
It's giving what it gotta give. And we're done. How y'all think I did? It is giving. Is my ball bobbing? It's giving what it gotta give, right? I love it. This is my little edges. I'm gonna get better with my edges. What y'all think? My first. I think this was a good install that I did. I got better because when I installed wigs last time, a long time ago, I did not like it. But this is it for me. I'm gonna put some pictures up. When I do my makeup. I cut my forehead a little bit, but when I was cutting the lace. I would definitely be ordering more hair from them. I'll drop the website below. And I'm out. I'm going to get my nails done tomorrow. I'm going to have nails on because I know I'm always like, and I'm out. I'll pick y'all back up probably tomorrow. I don't think I'm doing anything else for tonight. Go watch the TV. Yes, baby. I just saved me a coin, okay? Because I was going to go pay to get this done. I saved me a coin and it came out good. Got a flat line it every day. I got all this hair on me. I hate having hair. I hate seeing hair on the floor. See if I can zoom in. Here we go. Alright, y'all. Later, my bellas.